Hello everyone, I am Krishna Podel. Welcome to my YouTube channel Digital Nepal. Today's I will talk about the trends, directions, opportunities and the challenges of the Internet of the Things IoT. The Internet of the Things IoT is become an increasingly growing topic of the conversations both in the workplace and outside of it. It's the concept that not only has the potential to impact how we live but also how we work. But what exactly is the Internet of the Things and what impact is it going to have on you? In today's session, I will briefly talk about this. So, what is the Internet of Things? Internet connects all the peoples called Internet of the Peoples, and IoT connect all the things. So it's basically called Internet of the Things. Interconnections of the things or objects are the machines. For example, sensors, actuators, mobiles, phones, electronics device, home appliance, and any existing items and interact with each other via internet. The growth of the Internet of the Things is starting from the 2003 to 10, 15. By 2020, it is expected that there will be 50 billion devices. Connections of the 7 billions of peoples and 7 trillion things by 2020 to 2030. Major characteristics of the Internet of the Things are it uses the very large scales, heterogeneity, pervasivity. Computing and the communications technologies will be embedded in our environment. Layers of the Internet of the Things. According to literature review, basically there are 4 layers of the Internet of the Things. The first one is sensing and identifications, where GPS, smart device, RFID sensors are interconnected. Next one is network constructions. WFAN, W1, Internet, WLAN, and WMAN are grouped in such constructions. And third one is information processing, data center, search engine, smart decision, info security, and data mining. And last one is integrated applications, where smart logistic, green building, smart grid, smart transport, and environment monitors. Internet of the underground things. It contains the internet, mobile sync, terrestrial relay, and the surface swing. Internet of the nano things. The Internet of the nano things contains the internet about the body, consumer electronic device, and the nano things. So nano node, nano router, nano link, micro link gateway, and the nano micro interface are interconnected. The next one is the Internet of the bio nano things, where to interconnect the heterogeneous bio nano things networks to the internet. Healthcare provider, bio cyber interference with the internet. Perspective. The Internet of the Things perspective are it works at any time, at any place, and at any things. At any times means on the move, outdoors and the indoors, night and daytime. Place, outdoors, indoors, on the moves, anything, human to human, as to as, humans to things, as to T, and things to things, T to T. Top industries key for the IoT applications development and the revenue generations. According to the revenue generations, top industries are smart grid, smart health, smart home, smart cities, smart industries, smart TV, smart watch, smart car, smart keys, and so far. Recent IoT products are the Nest thermostat, Carbon's wireless cardiac monitor, Omnibot, Tractive Pet Tracker, Ninja Blocks, Revolve's home automations, ThinkWorks applications platform, cloud platforms, Intel Quark processor, and several other products. IoT platforms on the market. So GE predicts Cisco IoT Cloud, IBM Watson's IoT, PTC ThinkWorks. GE predicts use the platform such as the service PaaS model and is the cloud-based OS built in the Cloud Foundry and open source platform and is optimized for the secure connectivity and the analytics at the scales both in the cloud and on the edge. Cloud designed around the 6 pillars of the technology, that is the internet connectivity for computing, data analytics, security, cyber and the physical management, automations and the applications enablement. Cloud address the challenges across the wide variety of the industries including manufacturing, utilities, oil, gas, transportations, mining, public sector and many others. Applications examples are, let us take the one example, smart home where the remote monitoring control appliance, safety when the door opens or the close, energy management, turn off the light, face and the many equipment, maintenance are the sinks, pipe leaking and entertainment control. So adaptations of the IoT networks, healthcare industry, remote fashion monitoring services, mobile health technology, telemedicines, medications management, improved clinical care, employee workflow management and patient monitoring. In transportation, save lives and the property, reduce emissions and the cut computing time and the effort, make safety, efficiency and sustainability as well. Transportations, of course, driver warning, autopilot, emergency self-stop, traffic management, real-time vehicle tracking and the fleet management, route planning information, high precision estimated arrival times, valuable data for the insurance companies. Smart grid, utility companies use IoT to improve the asset performance, reduce cost, infrastructure management, lower power supply chain risks, empower employee and the consumers, more efficient and the proactive maintenance. Major obstacles for the IoT development: high cost of the required investment in IoT infrastructure, concerns about security and the privacy, lack of senior management knowledge commitment, weakness in the organization's technology infrastructure, regulations relating to the data privacy, weakness in the public com infrastructure available to organizations, maturity of the industry standard around the IoT, general economic uncertainty, undeveloped consumer awareness, absence of the business case and the business models. What measures the companies taken to use the IoT more extensive in the business? Number 1. Seeking the advice from the third-party expert consultant. Number 2. Learning from the success or the failures of the early movers. 3. Training existing staffs to work with the IoT. 4. Conducting or the sponsoring research to establish market size and the demand. Number 5. Establishing the cross-functional task force to explore and the pursue of the IoT opportunities. Number 6. Introducing a new business model. 7. Raising fresh capital to explore the IoT options. 8. Hiring talent with IoT capabilities. 8. Establishing the joint venture or the alliance to exploit the IoT opportunities. 9. Establishing the IoT center of this excellence. 10. Acquiring a business or the asset with the IoT capabilities. IoT trends to watch in the future. IT service, business and consulting, major driver. Drive demand for data analytics. Data must be managed, integrated and analyzed. Cloud computing, data broker, interoperability problems and the security. Resource challenges. Scalability, massive number of the device, handle data generated by the 50 billion devices, reliable coverage, move cloud service to ease of the network for computing, reduce data to be stored, processing and the storage, power consumptions, problem energy harvesting, strength optimizations, and challenges for the standardizations for interoperability, heterogeneity of the sensors interface to cloud servers. These things are collected from the different resource papers of the IEEE journals.